Hello everybody, it's Janine from 19 Tribes. I wanted to take you on a little tour today of my brother's backyard, which is basically a self-sustaining livelihood full of yummy vegetables and fruits. So this is his spinach, all coming out and ready to almost eat, all kinds of stuff. We got, what do we got in here, Paul? Again, different lettuces, right? Romaine. And then this, what you were telling me, this was felt that you bought, really inexpensive stuff, right? At the dollar store. And he makes kind of these stationary stuff, and then every year he can change. So all kinds of different lettuces we got here. Look at the load of tomatoes. What kind were these, Paul? Red wine tomatoes?
These are yellow brandy wine.
Brandy wine tomatoes. Whole bunch all the way down. And all those big pods of lettuces. And then here, what did you have? We've got wild or, well, transplanted raspberries.
In the last 2 years.
Yeah, and then what was, oh yeah, mint. You got lots of mint. And in the middle here you were growing something there.
We'll put strawberries later. This is dill.
Dill. And then,
beans in the back.
Yeah, in the back, all along there. Pole beans.
22 feet.
22 feet of yummy pole beans.
It's gonna come.
Yum-elicious. And then if we go to the end, we got the greenhouse. So how many plants of strawberries, Paul, this year?
60.
60?
We'll go to 250 by next year.
Go to 250 by next year. Holy cow.
In there.
This is an apple tree, right?
Yeah.
Beautiful apple tree. And then this cage keeps the birds away because the birds do love, so
Yeah.
we'll let them eat the worms and we'll keep the strawberries for ourselves. I just walked into the tree. Sorry about my shadow. But yeah, so 60 strawberry plants. That's like amazing. And this is one person doing all this work. This is super hot in here. Perfect environment for all.
You can clock this here.
All these beautiful.
Almost 40 in here.
Almost 40 in there. Look at that. You can see our beautiful. And then last year you had kale in here and lots of strawberries too. Even he's got all these potters up here.
I'm gonna put them in top and trying a new technique.
And you built this greenhouse all by yourself, right?
Yeah. This is easy.
That's awesome. Now imagine what a community of us could do if we were all of like mind and taught each other. So this is a great way for me to start my little intro series on sovereignty and learning how to sustain ourselves living off the land. So I may be back later and show you a little clip. We're going back to the forest to forage for fiddleheads.
Fiddleheads, yeah.
Okay, see you later everybody. Ciao for now.